Hello?
Hey, is this Chris?
Yeah.
Hey, man, this is Fatal.
Who?
Oh, my friends call me Fatal, but my real name is James Lee. How's it going?
I'm sorry. I thought this was my brother calling.
Oh, no, I'm in jail with your brother. Hasn't he told you about me?
No.
Oh,
No,
all right.
he hasn't.
Well, I'm going to have to talk to him about that. How are you?
I'm good. How's Alan?
He's doing pretty good. He was a little
All right.
scared at first, obviously, being new here and stuff.
Yeah, well, a tough spot to be in, huh?
Yeah, it was. Now he's doing all right since we met.
Okay. Is he there?
Yeah, he's out in the
That's
yard.
awful.
He's out in the yard right now, but he gave me your number and said it was okay to call you. I had some phone time, and I was just thinking I'd give you a shout to say nice to meet you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice to talk to you.
Yeah, he and I are bunkmates.
Oh, yeah? Okay. You just called to say hello?
Yeah, well, I wanted to introduce myself because me and your brother have started seeing each other.
Oh. All right. He must have forgotten to tell me that.
Oh, he hasn't told you about me, huh?
No, I would have remembered that.
Well,
Yeah.
I'll figure that out myself. That's between me and your brother. But I do have to say, he says you're his hero.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
And I'm calling because I know that he would want his hero at the ceremony.
What ceremony?
He and I are getting hitched.
You're joking.
No, if there's one thing Fatal doesn't do, he doesn't joke around.
I don't know what to say. I mean,
You got a problem with me?
I got a problem with the situation, not you.
Ah, right. Right.
The situation.
Look at that, another one. You're just angry because Alan is my butt steak. Aren't you?
I don't even know. What do I say to that? I really want to talk to him.
You don't know love. Who are you to put a label on love? You're just a free man walking around while I'm in here with your brother.
Listen, I don't need to hear this from you. I don't want to hear it.
Your brother knows love, that's for sure. He knows it real good.
You know what? Shut the hell up.
Whoa.
Listen to me. Next time I come up there, you're going to have to deal with me. I'm not taking this anymore. I'm not listening to this anymore.
Are you like
you
this?
and me.
Hey, are you like this with all your brother's boyfriends? Have you always been this way?
I've never had a boyfriend before.
Oh, I didn't know I was his first.
All right, I'm going to call the jail. I'm going to talk to whoever I can. I'm going to get you two separated because you're taking advantage of my brother.
Hey, he's taking advantage of me.
You're disgusting. I'm not talking to you
Hey,
anymore.
look,
You know what?
look, don't be mad at me just because your brother came in here. He was a little scared little puppy when he got in here, and I helped him out.
Right, and you're going to get sent down to where people don't ever come back out.
I'll do whatever for you.
Understand?
Hey,
And
hey,
take care of you.
I'll do whatever for your brother. We're in love. Can't stop me.
Love? What the hell are you talking about, love?
Well,
You're in jail.
you-
You don't even know what you're talking about.
You don't know what love is until you've been loved in a jail bunk.
Right, apparently not, yeah. All right, thank you very much.
I see what it is. You're just jealous of your brother. You want to be my butt steak.
God, what the hell is wrong with you? Oh, that makes you laugh?
Yeah, because this is actually Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the Morning. I'm moving 92.5 doing a phone tap on you.
Oh, my God.
Your brother Alan set you up. He sent us a letter from jail and asked us to phone tap you.
Oh, my God. How the hell did he do that?
I don't know, but I appreciated it.
I really thought it was real.
Well, hopefully your brother is nobody's butt steak.